Hello friends, today we are going to observe some antique towns and outskirts of Podgorica. I hope you will like it. For me, that will practice and enjoy. Go ahead.
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like that. It hurts, so giving something worse to pass the time. Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
This is a great restaurant in Podgorica. They have a pond on their premises.
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like that. It burns, so give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would've wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry's won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine, got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
Somewhere around here there should be a campground, but it's not here. It shows up on Google Map though. Keep that in mind where you are cycling in Montenegro.
I'm always one step behind, wishing I could read your mind, but I'm ready, yeah, never ready. I wish I could have made it stop the first time that you stood me up. I wasn't ready, yeah, never ready. Like a forbidden fruit, I'm still craving for, I'm still wanting more, yeah. I know just what to do, but still I want all of you. Oh please, just give my heart a break. It's more than I can take. First you say you love me and you promise you will change, but suddenly you're gone, always on the run, playing with my feelings and you do it just for fun. Hate the player in the game, boy to me they're all the same, but I'm ready, no, never ready, yeah. Met you at a coffee shop, had me at hello, what up, I wasn't ready, no, never ready, yeah. Like a forbidden fruit, I'm still waiting for, I'm still wanting more.
Добрий день.
Браво, браво!
But still I want all of you. Oh please, just give my heart a break. It's more than I can take. First you say you love me
This is a Spoosh town. And the fortress. It's an Ottoman fortress, the late 17th century. It's not easy to siege a fortress. It's quite tall.
Sitting on the sidewalk, kicking round dust, you're alone or on the run. Well, I can see the fire still in your shadow. None of it is gone. You may be a seeker, but I'm a believer, keeping the hope you need. You don't wanna load it onto my shoulders to carry all of your fears, but I can dry your tears. 'Cause you make it all through the day. Ooh, 'cause you make it all through the day. Ooh. Falling for the sirens, looking for God.
So guys, I have a problem. I smashed my drone. Actually that was accident. I tried to realize what's happened when he tracked me. So that was a follow me mode. He lost me and he is freeze on the same high, and I'm lost the moment when the battery is full. I appeared home page, home point, and a push return to home, but that was late and the battery was discharged, and it start landing, and unfortunately it landed on the road and the car smashed him. It's easy to say what isn't broken than what was broken. So the gimbal is broken and it's 200 euros. Arms doesn't broke. That's true, it works, but I don't know what about engines. They could be broken too. So of course I think that I should to visit center, maybe they could help me. I want to remind that I'm living in Montenegro and we haven't here any kind of DJI care services or something like that. That will be easy. And now I visit a center and I think if they hasn't any kind of donors, but they could, it it would be a problem to repair it. Or if repair would be about, 400, 500 euros, the new one is cost 700 euros. So that, that's a lesson to me, of course, but I want to say that I'm sad, of course, but that's equipment, what we should do. If I want to make content, if I try to be my content better than previous, that last one, I should pay. Not only money, emotions too. Okay, anyway, guys, I continue my trip and I came to Dukla. So these ruins of the town Dukla, it was founded in the 1st century AD by the Romans. It reached a peak in the 2nd century, but in the 5th century AD it was destroyed by Goths. So it was a classic Roman city. Let's take a look, guys, let's take a look. Capitol Temple. Basilica. Okay. Forum. That's a cool place. Do you see there is no any kind of exhibition or something like that, just information about what was there 2000 years ago. But anyway, that's a nice place to visit. Unfortunately, I know what I do. I have some footages from my drone that was at winter, and I will add it in our video so you can look how from the air. We spend a lot of time here, and go ahead.
Stand up against the wall so I can trace you with one fine line. We have become a home that's built of all your poems and mine. Please don't disappear from me. It's not what you think it's gonna be like, but nothing ever is in this life. It's a slow dance in paradise. When the world's on fire, look for my eyes. I know you wanna go, and I don't blame you at all. I'm learning my own skin in reading what you wrote back then. Please don't disappear from me. It's not what you think it's gonna be like, but nothing ever is in this life. It's a slow dance in paradise. When the world's on fire, look for my eyes. Look for my eyes. Look for my eyes.
And here are the ruins of a bridge. Only the pillars remain. So I am going home. Not so perfect mood. Of course it's about the drone. But anyway, I'm stressed. I don't want to surrender and continue without a drone and then with a drone. So we are already at home. Exclude my drone, everything was fine. 45 kilometers long distance. So guys, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe, support me. I need a new drone. And guys, see you next video. Push like, by the way. See you next video. See you.